Hello and welcome to this video where we will be discussing how to use order book analysis for crypto trading. Order book analysis is a fundamental tool used by traders to understand the current market conditions and make informed decisions. It provides insights into the supply and demand of a particular cryptocurrency at any given moment. The order book is a list of all buy and sell orders for a specific cryptocurrency, which is arranged by price. The order book displays the volume of buy and sell orders at different price levels, which can help traders understand the market sentiment and potential price movements. When analyzing the order book, traders can look at the bid-ask spread, which is the difference between the highest buy order and the lowest sell order. A tight bid-ask spread indicates high liquidity and stable market conditions, while a wide spread may indicate low liquidity and potential volatility. Traders can also use the order book to identify support and resistance levels. Support levels are areas where there are a high volume of buy orders, while resistance levels are areas with a high volume of sell orders. These levels can provide important price targets and potential entry and exit points for traders. Another important metric that traders can look at is the order book depth. This is the volume of orders at each price level and can help traders understand the strength of the support and resistance levels. In conclusion, order book analysis is a powerful tool for crypto traders that can provide valuable insights into market conditions and potential price movements. By analyzing the bid-ask spread, support and resistance levels, and order book depth, traders can make more informed decisions and improve their trading strategies. And as a bonus point, remember to always use other technical and fundamental analysis tools in conjunction with order book analysis to get a complete picture of the market. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.